RIP, ANC ward councillor Victor Molosi has been gunned down in Knysna. Johannesburg, another ANC ward councillor has been gunned down, this time in Knysna in the Western Cape. Victor Molosi was ambushed outside his home in Concordia on Monday night. Police say suspects fired several shots at him. The 50-year-old sustained a gunshot wound to the head and was declared dead at the hospital. The motive for the shooting is unknown and no arrests have been made. The killing comes 2 days after an ANC Youth League leader was shot dead in Umlazi in KwaZulu-Natal. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.